The Dragonfly Doji pattern is a Japanese candlestick pattern that is formed at the bottom of a downtrend or the top of an uptrend, signaling a trend reversal. A classic Dragonfly Doji has the same opening and closing price, which makes it quite rare, but there may be situations when the prices do not coincide. And Dragonfly candle has a small body and an upper wick. The pattern is popular due its belonging to the large doji pattern family. A Dragonfly doji is crucial for traders as it signals indications in the market and forms before a trend reversal, allowing traders to anticipate further trading instrument movements and open positions at more favorable price. A Dragonfly doji pattern has a T-shaped structure resembling a dragonfly. The unfolding of this pattern on the price chart demonstrates the growing strength of one of the two market forces, bulls or bears. The pattern formation at the end of the downtrend indicates that the initiative is in the hands of the bulls, so a market reversal and initiative price growth should be expected. The formation of a pattern at the end of an uptrend, on the contrary, signals that the bulls are weakening and initiative is in the hands of bears. However, a Dragonfly Doji candlestick can also emerge in the middle of a trend. For example, when the asset consolidates in the sideways channel before going further. An example of a Dragonfly Doji pattern is shown on this chart. The first step is to determine the support and resistance level. These are K-lines, as corrections or trend reversal usually occur at these levels. Look for a candlestick with a small or missing body near K levels. Opening and closing price should be approximately the same. The next thing to pay attention to is the shadows. The pattern has a long lower shadow and the upper shadow should be absent. However, this happens rarely, so it's allowed when the candle has a small wick at the top. Focus on the lower shadow of a Dragon Doji candlestick. The longer the shadow, the stronger the signal for a trend reversal or correction. As the final step, confirm the pattern on the chart using other candlestick patterns or technical indicators. Let's analyze a Dragonfly Doji pattern formation on the 4-hour time frame of the EUR/USD currency pair. For the formation of a Dragonfly Doji pattern, one can identify a downtrend on the price chart. When the price reached the K support level, the decline stopped and the quote started to consolidate, forming a bullish Dragonfly Doji pattern. However, after its construction, the price had slightly declined, which one again confirms the need to get additional confirmation signals. In this situation, the candlestick pattern was confirmed by the intense growth of tick volume, after which the price finally reversed upward. After a downward trend, the pattern indicates an increase in buying activity, while after an uptrend, it suggests an increase in sales. The rarity of this Japanese candlestick makes it very important for traders, as it warns about a trend reversal. The long lower shadow suggests that the bears dropped the price at the beginning of the period, but bulls recovered it during the trading sessions. It should be noted that unlike a Dragonfly Doji pattern, other types of doji form on the chart much more often, and in most cases, signal market uncertainty or give strong signals of reversal at the highs. Particularly important is the Dragonfly Doji pattern formation in the middle of an uptrend, when it seems that the trend is reversing, but after the pattern construction, the price goes further upwards. The lower wick of the pattern indicates that the bears temporarily dominated the market. After the price closed without much change, bulls managed to recover their positions, and the price may grow further. Fundamental factors can escalate the situation. The release of statistics or news on trading instruments can spoil a trader or investor's trading plan due to market uncertainty and elevated volatility. Therefore, it's important to analyze not only Gravestone Doji candlestick, but also an asset's current situations. This will help to get more objective picture. When trading in financial markets, it's important to get signals comprehensively and monitor other candlestick or chart patterns and technical indicators. Trading the pattern on the highs implies opening short trades when building in Dragonfly Doji. Let's look at the example of AT&T Inc. shares. The hourly chart shows the price consolidates at the swing high, forming a dragonfly doji candlestick pattern. It should be emphasized that after rebuilding a bearish candlestick, the price started declining, creating a three black crowns pattern, which confirms the dragonfly doji with a beginning of a bearish trend. Besides, a sharp spike in tick volume is seen during construction of a three black cross pattern, which emphasizes that large sellers are acting in the market. In fact, the bearish dragonfly doji pattern was confirmed twice, allowing us to make informed trading decisions. In this case, it's better to open short trades after a three black cross pattern. Profit can be taken at the nearest support level and several lines in part. According to the pattern rules, a stop-loss order can be set above the dragonfly doji pattern highs. However, it's better to place the order below the resistance level. This will reduce the risk of prematurely closing trades if the price does not drop immediately and tries to test the resistance again. Trading at the bottom of a downtrend. This trading method involves identifying a dragon doji pattern after a downtrend and opening buy orders. An example of such trading is presented now. It's 4-hour BTC USD chart. After Bitcoin consolidates in a narrow range, the asset formed a dragonfly doji, and subsequently the Bitcoin price increased by more than $10,000 in a relatively short period. Trading conditions for this strategy are similar to those for the previous strategy, but with one difference. Everything is done in reverse. In this case, one can open long trades after the formation of a three white shoulders pattern, which convert a dragonfly doji candlestick, and the growing buy activity in the market. As in the example, the stop loss could be set below the dragonfly doji pattern. A conservative but more profitable option suggests setting it below the support line. You may also take profit in parts when the price reaches new resistance level. It should be emphasized that after hitting the first target, it's necessary to take at least 50% of the trade value. This will allow you to get at least zero if the trend reverses downward. Dragonfly doji versus gravestone doji. A gravestone doji pattern is opposite to the dragonfly doji. A gravestone doji often occurs at the high after a long uptrend, signaling a trend reversal to a downtrend. In the case of a gravestone doji, the opening price also equals the closing price. The primary distinction between a gravestone doji and a dragonfly doji lies in the length and position of their shadows. The gravestone doji is characterized by a long shadow at the top and absence of a shadow at the bottom, assembling in inverted letter T. A gravestone doji pattern can also be formed after a downtrend end. In this case, it's similar to dragonfly doji candlestick. If a gravestone doji pattern forms at the bottom, it also warns traders about weakening of sellers' activity and the upcoming trend reversal to a downtrend. However, the strongest signals of this pattern is at the top. Dragonfly doji is an effective candlestick analysis pattern, which signals a trend reversal. It's very effective when occurring near strong support and resistance level. One of the pattern's advantages is that it forms in different financial markets and on various time frames. This, in turn, increases the possibilities of trading the pattern without being tied to specific trading instruments. The candlestick pattern is most effectively combined with other candlestick patterns or chart analysis patterns. Besides, it's convenient to confirm the pattern with the help of various technical indicators, which increases the profitability of making the right trading decisions and making a profit. You can check the efficiency of a dragonfly doji candlestick pattern by opening a free demo account with Light Finance. The multifunctional web terminal offers a wide array of trading tools that will allow you to build your trading strategy correctly and avoid losses. Subscribe to the channel and goodbye.